70 yards. Right through the eye. "72-yard ground squirrel." Alright guys, this is the first time using the SCOPECAM setup. I hope everything is kind of clear for you guys. I still got to play with it some more, but looks like I'm pretty close. This is the view so far. This is on my Rapid. Let's go ahead and take a few shots at 50 yards, see what happens. There we go. And the wind is. My first SCOPECAM shot. Here's that one I just shot in between the rocks here. He fell off the rocks. Hopefully, there he is. All right, it's the one I just shot. 45 yards. I found another one at 46 yards. All right, here's where that one little fella was. I just shot at, what was that, 45 yards or something. He's down in a hole. Here's a snapshot of him landing in a hole. All right, moving on to the next one. Excuse the camera shaking, but it's my first time using this. 61 yards. Where is he? Just high right. to death. Well, I'm not able to recover the last one I just hit off the rocks at 61 yards. But if you look right there, what is that? Blood. He's not doing very well. So he's down in the hole as usual. There's a hit. Okay guys, here's the setup. Here it is on the eyepiece. But I'm gonna have to be honest, making longer shots, you really do have to spend a lot of time getting this thing set up and get it to where you can see all the crosshair, all the mil dots, see it clear. It's a little difficult, takes a little bit of practice to get used to it first, but as I shoot more, it gets easier and easier, and like I'm keeping everything within 50 yards, maybe 60 at the most. I just had a 61-yard shot. It's just difficult to get everything and look through a scope. I'm just getting used to it. So I'm going back to my old tried and true method. So the next couple more ground squirrels we're going to see with this scope mount, looking through the camera as opposed to looking through the scope. Let's go over here and see if we can get him. 62 yards. Now, just like ground squirrel hunting, hit him and the sucker rolled in a damn hole. Such is the life of ground squirrel hunting. Yeah, we got his blood there, rolled downhill into here. Guarantee one of them pulled him in. No way he should have disappeared. He should have been laying right in that hole right there. And that just shows you, I bet another ground squirrel pulled him down. That's why we don't stick our hands in these holes. Cows are hitting already. It's getting late anyway, so let's go ahead and get this last ground squirrel. Shouldn't be too hard to find him, but one of my luck, he's probably down a hole. Let's see, 50 yards. 50 yards. Make sure I don't step on him. Where is he? Where is he? It looks a lot different once you walk up on something. 50 yards, really mess. Yards, where is it? More out this way. Yards. That's what happens. So you get turned around out here. Okay, come on. Where is it? Man, did I lose a ground squirrel? This is crazy. Where do you go? Is he up here? Ah, there he is. Oh, that's the wrong hole. How often do you hear that? The wrong hole. Yep, I went in the wrong hole. Here it is. And 26 yards. Wind's blowing left to right. Oh my God. 126 yards. He is dead. Holy cow. 126 yards. Now you guys know why I love the TD257. Forget the noise. Forget being whisper quiet, so compact. That's why. Long range tack driver. That was the Lyman 257-420 hollow point, regular hollow point, in the wind, and it's got to be at least 15 mile an hour wind, easy. Zoom this back. There you go. Okay guys, here lies a problem of ground squirrel hunting. You approach where your last target was, and the problem is you have all of this rock formation. So, is he easily retrievable, or is he going to be lost in the rocks again like a lot of other ground squirrels? You have to really be careful this time of the year too, in the spring. Ah, there he is. I just don't say you have to be careful because of rattlesnakes. It's a big reason why we don't. As you guys can see here, I know the camera's kind of close, but look at all the cracks in the rocks. I mean, you go around here, there's cracks everywhere. So us guys that live out west or even Oregon, we don't stick our hands in these holes because trying to retrieve your dead quarry for a trophy picture, you might get bit. Normally rattlesnakes give an alarm, but I'm pretty sure if you have a hand just sticking it in there, they probably will not give you an alarm. There he is. 126 freaking yards in the wind. I mean, look at this wind. You can hear it in the mic if you don't think it's bad. I mean, look at this. I aimed a quarter mil dot to his left. A quarter. And that's the difference. Not downing pellet rifles. I shoot pellet rifles a lot. I have my Rapid out today. It's not the point. This just shows you the difference between what an airgun will do. One that shoots bullets and one that shoots pellets. And as you can see, just the unmodified hollow point, just a regular hollow point. Lots and lots. I mean, that is his flesh. There is no skin or hair there.